In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your MacBook not turning on and displaying a black screen. So if your MacBook is on charge and you're pressing the power button and you're just seeing this black screen, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and grab your MacBook charger and just plug it into the MacBook like so. Now, after leaving your MacBook on charge for around about 5 minutes, what we're going to do is just continually tap the power button around about 10 to 15 times. So I'll do this with you now so you can see exactly what this looks like. So we're just going to repeatedly tap the power button around about 10 to 15 times, and you can check to see if your MacBook turns on. Now, if it's not working, another thing you can try doing is unplugging any external connections going to the Mac. So this could be USB connections and your charging cable as well. Make sure everything is disconnected. Now, once you've disconnected everything, we're going to hold down the power button for around about 20 seconds. So even when the screen's black, just continue to hold down this button for the full 20 seconds. Once 20 seconds have passed, you can then go and release the power button. You can then try turning the Mac on and checking if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, another thing we can try doing is an SMC reset. Now, to do this, just make sure your MacBook is completely shut down, and then you need to hold down the Shift, the Control, the Option key, and also the power button all at the same time, and you're going to hold these buttons down for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, go and release the keys and then try turning on your Mac, and once again check if that solves the issue. So that's how to fix the black screen issue on your MacBook. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.